What's up guys, my name's Connor and today I'm very excited to show you guys my new Rolex. This is a 40mm Platinum Day-Day on the market right now for about $75,000. I'm going to be walking you guys through all the details of this watch as well as trying it on. So if you guys do enjoy, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button as it really does help out my channel. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Here is the Rolex box. It's going to be the large size, and that's going to lead us to the inner box. And then once we get there, we can just open that right up, and we are going to see the Platinum Day-Day right here. And so the 228206 reference is going to come with three different colors. It's going to come in an olive, an ice blue, and then the navy, which is the one that we have right here. Each one of those colors is going to come with the Roman numeral option. If you do decide to go for the ice blue dial, that one's also going to have baguettes. And you can also up the reference as well and get the platinum Rolexes with the diamonds around the bezel. But for this one right here, it is going to be the smooth bezel. We're going to have the screw down case back on the back side. There's nothing too special about it. It's not like AP where it's an open case back and you can see everything that's inside. You have to screw out the back of the case, and then that's when you're going to see the inside of it. And that's usually the best way to authenticate your watches. And then looking from the side right here, you're going to have the twin lock waterproof system for your crown right here, making it waterproof for 330 feet or 100 meters. And then we're going to have 4 different pulls on it. So if we unwind it right here and we pull it out once, that's going to allow us to wind the watch. It is self-winding with a 70-hour power reserve. We pull it out one more time and that's going to allow us to change the date, pull it out again and then it's the hours, and then one more time and that's going to allow you to change the time by the minutes. So circling back to the face of the watch, we have the sapphire crystal protecting the navy dial of this watch, and on it is going to be a cyclops lens. The reason why they call it a cyclops is kind of like a one eye, and that one eye is going to magnify the date of the watch. So if you look under it or you kind of look at it at the date from a different angle, you're going to notice that it's not as big as it looks under the cyclops lens. And obviously that job is to make it a little bit easier for the person that's wearing it to see the date of the watch. And also a fun fact is that a lot of the fakes mess this up. Meaning that if you buy a Rolex, one giveaway that your watch is fake is seeing that the date of the watch is not magnified under the cyclops lens. So unlike yellow gold watches, when you wear a white gold or a platinum watch, you're going to be able to wear it with almost any outfit, and it's also not going to be a standout. And one of the reasons why platinum watches are so loved by celebrities and people with money is obviously they're able to afford them, but also they're not as standout and they don't put as big of a target on your head as yellow gold watches do. To anyone that knows watches, they're going to realize like, hey, this is the smooth bezel presidential, so it's going to be a platinum watch. And those are the people that you're trying to impress. You're not trying to impress people that don't know anything about watches, because that could be an unnecessary target. And also something that I love about them is that they go with pretty much any outfit. So if anyone's into watches and they see the day of the week on the watch, they know it's a day date. And then if they know it's a smooth bezel, then they're going to know that it's a platinum watch, and they're going to know that, you know, this isn't a $40,000 watch like a white gold. This is a $75,000 piece. So with that said guys, I'm very excited to start getting back into YouTube. I'm going to try to be a lot more consistent. So if you guys do like these kind of videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe as it really helps me out. And also feel free to leave some video suggestions in the comments. I'm more than happy to get you guys certain watches that you guys want to see or certain designer items. Just let me know what you guys want to see. I'm happy to bring it to you guys, and I appreciate all the support, and I will see you guys in the next video.